Saving all open files in Photoshop, CS5. I have learned that Photoshop does not come with a Save All command. However, I would like to have such a command. What I found on the web. I read here that I can record the action of saving a file and then associate it with a key so that I can trigger that action later using a keystroke. However, wouldn't that be the same as going through my files one by one and then using Ctrl+S to save each individual file? How can I run an action on every open file? Thanks.
You can use an action in a batch command. Look under File is greater than Automate is greater than Batch for the two. You can apply your action to all open images or specify a folder of images as your source.
You can do this by first making an action that saves a file with the settings you want. After you have that action, do the following. File, Action, Batch, Source, all open files. Select the action that you just made. Run the batch script. There, you are done. Edit to include tip. If you want to bind a key such that hitting it will save all open files, you can do the following. 1. Create another action that runs a batch of the action saving open files. 2. Bind this action to the key of your choice.
If you need to save a copy really quickly, you can use is greater than scripts is greater than image processor is greater than use open images is greater than save as PSD.
I'm late to the show, but I thought I'd share what I found for future reference. I'm using Photoshop CC 2016, and had the same problem. My solution was to go to File is greater than scripts is greater than image processor, and use the following settings. 1. Check use open images. 2. Click select folder, navigate to the desired target folder. Then mark the radio button next to select folder. 3. Check save as JPEG. Set quality to desired value. 4. Uncheck run action at the bottom. This would be used to apply another correction or effect to all photos before saving, such as a vignette or dropping to grayscale. 5. Click run in the top right. This makes a folder called JPEG in the specified target directory, and stores your images inside. Then, simply click File is greater than close all to close all open files at once.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.